Pranjal Sahu and today I am going to make protein bars and the ingredients are 1/4 cup dates or khajur, 1 tablespoon peanuts, 1 tablespoon cashews, 1 tablespoon melon seeds, 1 tablespoon almonds, 1 tablespoon raisins, 1 tablespoon pistachios, 1 tablespoon honey. Add 1/4 cup dates in a blender. Add 4 tablespoons of water and blend. Now in the low flame roast the peanuts. Now add all the dry fruits and roast them. Now add the dates paste. Now add all the dry fruits along with raisins. Now add the peanuts. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. Grease the box with ghee where you have to set the bar. Now shape it rectangular to make a bar. Now after some time our protein bar is ready and it is set completely. Our protein bar is ready.